What's up, everyone? Here with the old Jeep. Dug in. I was gonna make a video about this, but I guess it's hard for me to do two things at once. I was looking up and walking and sprained my ankle right when I was starting this, but now I've got down inside. Check this out. Oh, dipstick. Holy shit. So, process of tearing it apart, got all the intake manifolds off. So, let's see how it all turns out. Like I said, I was going to start this at the beginning, but twisted my ankle. It was pretty sore yesterday, so I gave it up. Good times, right? Okay, we'll see how we'll do here. Cleaned her up a bit. Now the fun begins. You get to put it all back together. You gotta clean those fittings right there, or where the O-rings seal up, and then clean those up, make sure there's nothing in the way, and we'll see how it goes. Here's the old housing. No, these are all heat checked. This O-ring here is pretty much flat. So these areas are supposed to mate to the block down there on those areas. So here we go. All right. New filter housings in place, torque to 106 inch-pounds. See how it goes. All right, fuel rails tightened to spec, upper intake back on, button up the injectors and get the last piece up. All back together. Well, the motor cover yet, and the battery cable, but hopefully all's well. We'll check it out here, put some oil in it, get her going. So it started back up, everything went good. But I noticed I didn't explain to anybody what had happened. The part that I fixed was the oil filter housing cooler assembly that had started leaking oil down into the valley of the motor. The motor runs kind of a high oil pressure, and so when it was running, it was filling that valley up and pumping oil, and was running all over the back, down the back of the motor and around the transmission. And at first I thought I had a main leak, a rear main leak, which is I guess another issue that a Pentastar V6 has, but turns out this is pretty common. If you have a Pentastar V6, I would suggest, and this happens to you, I would suggest to try it yourself. It's not really that hard of a job. But took it all apart, went back together pretty easy. Not that difficult a job. It doesn't take any real special tools. But yeah, it was about $350 for parts. So it probably saved me at least $1,000 from bringing it into the shop. But yeah, but as of now, it's been running good. No oil leaks. Been driving it for a while. Been to High Rock and found some snow up there a couple weekends ago, and last weekend we went to Mount St. Helens and found a little snow up there. But all is well. Hopefully we can get out of this wretched city and back to the hills. Take care, everyone. Have a Merry Christmas.